Bea Bores.
Yes!
The best friend. Si Bea kasi before, nakita lang din namin siya sa TikTok and then tinap namin siya because she was drinking beauty milk. And then eventually, kinuwento niya na ako, ate, meron din akong friend na umiinom ng beauty milk. Ganyan. Hindi ko man nasasabihin kung sino. And then one lunch date, nag-date kami ni Bea, and then she said, you know, Andrea, Blind is drinking your beauty milk. And I was so kilig. Sabi ko, wow. Tapos from then on, parang hindi na ako napakali. Gusto ko siyang kunin kasi she represents talaga beauty milk and also the dear face.
Did you dream of endorsing a beauty milk?
Yes! Yes, nung very malaki po si influence talaga ng friend ko. So, pag nakikita ko, lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, sana kunin nila ako kasi gumagamit talaga ako. At saka bilang endorser po kasi parang yun yung pinakagusto mo sana, yung lagi mong ginagamit ay kunin ka para mas effective at saka alam mo yun, mas proud ka na in-endorse mo yung bagay na to. So, ang gusto ko po talaga, at saka kasi para makasave din ako kasi parang 3 times a month ko ako bumibili. So, parang meron na rin po ako sariling stock. So, ayun. So, gusto ko po talaga sana makakuha ako ng dear face. So, kaya super happy ako na party na ako ngayon. Parang na-manifest ko po. Kaya kayo, kayo tumigil mag-manifest. 1 year din ako nag-manifest.
1 year more.
Opo, 1 year din ako order ng order.
Miss Jonah though, piggybacking off of that, when was like the, oh my gosh, kailangan natin kunin si Andrea Brillantes.
Yeah.
When was that like snap?
Well, actually, it was a random, Bea and I were doing a vlog. And it was a random parang question na parang, si Blythe ba? Is she endorsing collagen, ganyan? Sabi niya, from Bea Bores, naku ate! Sabi gano'n. She's using beauty milk and she's getting stocks from me. Gano'n. So,
Kopya niyo po siya.
yeah, komisado na natin si Bea. But from then, actually, I was really shocked kasi it's actually Blythe. And you know, I was happy knowing that real people uses beauty milk, and that's not because they are endorsing it, but because they're loving the effect. So in yung parang actually that's the stand of Dear Face also, and also the beauty milk. Na we're getting influencers, KOL celebrities because they are using our products, not because we want them to use our products. That's the other way around. And in Dear Face, we always live in honesty. So, pagka sinabi namin, gumagamit talaga siya. So, our past influencers and endorsers as well, they use beauty milk prior us stopping them. So, yan, super proud lang.
Tsaka ang sarap din kasi talaga niya. Na-try niyo na ba? Try niyo. Ang sarap na.
I'm sure you have many offers for endorsements and ambassadorships. Why, aside from you already using it, what is it about the brand that you like? Ano yung nagustuhan mo sa brand aside from yung lasa na and the effects it has?
Well, I think dahil naniniwala na po talaga ako sa product, and I think that's enough reason para gustuhin ko po talagang i-endorse yung product ng Dear Face kasi naniniwala po ako sa effects niya kasi gumana naman siya sa akin. Sabi ko naman po. So, ayun po, naniniwala lang po talaga ako sa product ng beauty milk ng Dear Face. Kaya gusto ko po talaga siya ma-endorse. Tsaka, ayun, gusto kasi talaga